Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, director of the Miami Space Transit Planetarium, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now this week's episode.
Celebrate Labor Day the cosmic way with a giant triangle of stars overhead. Greetings, greetings, fellow stargazers. Do you know that every Labor Day weekend, 3 very bright stars, which make a giant triangle, shine overhead? Let me show you how to find them this and every Labor Day weekend. Simply go outside between 9 and 10 p.m. your local time, any Labor Day weekend, and look straight up almost overhead, and you will see 3 extremely bright stars, which, if we connect with lines, make a huge stellar triangle, which is traditionally called the summer triangle, because every year these 3 stars can be seen rising over the eastern horizon in early evening at the beginning of summer. But since the stars change their position with each season, by the time September rolls around, this triangle has changed its position so that in early evening it is almost directly overhead and makes an almost perfect must-see Labor Day tradition. Now, each star belongs to a separate constellation. So not only do we have 3 wonderful stars, we also have 3 equally wonderful constellations. The brightest star is Vega, and it belongs to the small constellation Lyra the Harp. The second brightest is Altair, in a much larger constellation called Aquila the Eagle. And the dimmest of the 3 is Deneb, and it marks the tail of a huge constellation called Cygnus the Swan. Now, if we compare each of these 3 stars with the star we call our sun, you'll be in for a big surprise. Our sun is the closest star, only 8 1/3 light minutes away, which means that it takes its light 8 1/3 minutes to reach Earth. So we see it not as it actually exists now, but as it existed 8 1/3 minutes ago. Altair is the closest triangle star and is 17 light years away, which means that it takes its light 17 years to reach us. So we see it not as it exists this Labor Day weekend, but as it existed 17 years ago. Wow! Vega is slightly farther away, 25 light years, which means that it takes its light 25 years to reach us. So we see it as it existed 25 years ago. Wow, again. Deneb, however, is so incredibly far away, 1,500 light years, that it takes its light 1,500 years to reach us. So we see it as it existed 1,500 years ago. Super wow. And talk about size and brightness. Altair is 1.5 times the diameter of our almost 1 million mile wide sun, but 9 times brighter. Vega, however, is 2.5 times the diameter of our sun and is 58 times brighter. But you ain't seen nothing yet, because Deneb is a super 116 times as wide as our sun and 60,000 times brighter. In fact, if it were as close as Vega and Altair, it would be the brightest star in the night sky. Wowie, wow, wow. So there you have it. 3 bright stars forming a giant triangle almost overhead in early evening every Labor Day weekend. So why not make this brilliant threesome a Labor Day tradition? Happy Labor Day and keep looking up.
Make the Stars Your Own is available on DVD or VHS for $19.95. In addition, Stargazing with Jack Horkheimer, Cosmic Comics for the Skywatcher is also available for $19.95.